Barakallahu fikum marhaban. You are welcome. This is another class on how to learn Arabic with ease, inshallah ta'ala. So we still have the same words like qalaman, kitaban, mistaratan, ma'a. So when you look at all these words, they are in objective case, that is, they are object of the sentence, which means they are mansub, they are having fatha. So you can see the other word, a'tini. A'tini is from the word a'ta, which means gave. وأعطى كل شيء أحصى كل شيء عددا ربنا الذي أعطى كل شيء خلقه ثم هدى. So that is أعطى from the Quran, that our Lord is the one that gave every creature its nature or its attribute. ثم هدى, and then guided. So from this you can see أعطى, which means the past tense. Then you have أعطي, 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 give. So when you say ni here means me. So this nun is nun wiqaya. So the ya is yaul mutakallim, the person talking. So a'tini means give me. What do I want you to give me? For instance, I can want you to give me a pen. So in that case I say a'tini qalaman. A'tini qalaman. Give me a pen. A'tini kitaban. Give me a book. A'tini mistaratan. Give me a ruler. A'tini ma'a. Give me ma'a. Another thing I can request is a'tini fulusan. Give me money, or a'tini nuqudan. Give me money. A'tini raqamak. Raqamu means number. I'm requesting for your phone number. I can say a'tini raqma jawalik. Give me your phone number, or I simply say a'tini raqamak. Give me your number. So this is a'ta is one of the most commonly used 100 verbs, Arabic verbs. So when you get our course on the 100 most commonly used Arabic verbs, well simplified and manipulated in a way that to make learning easy for every one of you, even for the beginner, inshallah ta'ala. When you get it, or you get another word, the 1000 most commonly used Arabic words, well simplified as well, you are going to learn Arabic with ease in a very short period of time, even without a teacher except me through the video. Barakallahu fikum. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.